See, if your body lotion is not just giving you the result you want, mix it with any of the serums and it's going to boost the effectiveness and give you that fair, beautiful, glowing skin that you really want.
Come to the space.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you top 5 serums you can mix with your body lotion or cream to have that fair skin tone you've always wanted. So if your body lotion or body cream is not just giving you the result you want, then this video is for you. Make sure to stay, like this video and also subscribe because you're going to be learning so much on this channel. All the serums I'm going to be showing you in this video is going to brighten, glow and activate your body lotions. So let's dive right into it. Now, I know you're wondering, why would I want to mix a serum with my body lotion? Well, if you bought a body lotion and that body lotion is making you darker than you are, or it is not just working at all, like you're not seeing any effect from that body lotion and you really don't want to throw it away or you want to save cost, then I would recommend or advise you to get a serum. Adding a serum to your body lotion is actually going to make that body lotion to be more effective and give you the results that you want. I also need you to know that serums are more effective than your body lotions because they get to penetrate deeper into your skin than a body lotion would. Secondly, another reason you might want to use a serum with your body lotion is if you're looking to target your skin concerns. Take for instance, you're someone with a dull skin, or maybe your skin is looking uneven and your body lotions is not just tackling any of those issues that you have, then you might as well get a targeted serum for your skin concern and is equally going to help tackle all of that and give you a flawless, fair, glowing skin tone. Now you already know what your serums are for. Let me show you the 5 best brightening serums you might be needing in your routine and how to use them. The first one I have for you guys is this Dove Niacinamide Even Tone Serum. This is one of my best brightening body serums I'll recommend you use. This particular body serum is going to help target your dull skin, your uneven skin tone, and give you a much brighter, even looking skin when you're consistently using it in your routine. This particular Dove body serum contains amazing ingredients like niacinamide that is going to help even out your skin, target your dark spots, and give you a beautiful, fair, glowing skin tone. When you pair this with a regular moisturizer or a brightening body lotion, trust me, your skin glow is going to be on another level. I also love the fact that this Dove body serum contains proceramide, which is equally going to help deeply penetrate into your skin and help moisturize, nourish, and glow your skin. So if you're looking to achieve a beautiful, bright, glowy skin, then I'll definitely recommend or advise you get this particular body serum. Pair it with a nice body lotion and you're going to be loving your skin. I recommended this particular body serum for our clients last year, and to date she's still in love with this particular serum. It's a really nice serum that you can add in your skincare routine and your skin is definitely going to be popping. It's suitable for all skin types and complexion. If you're fair skin, dark skin, chocolate or caramel skin tone, as long as you want to brighten up your complexion, this particular serum is going to be working for you. It retails at the cost of $14.99 on Amazon. So you might as well get it or add it in your skincare routine if you're looking to activate or boost the effects of your body lotion. The next serum I have for you guys is this half-cast Carotte Lightening Serum. This particular serum right here will have your skin looking so much radiant and glowy. Like, it's going to have people complimenting your skin and asking you what exactly it is you're using on your body. If you want a luxurious and attractive fair skin tone, just go get this particular serum. You're going to love the effect on your skin. It contains different amazing brightening ingredients that is going to help nourish your skin, even out your skin tone, get rid of your dull looking skin, and give you a much brighter, beautiful, and attractive fair skin tone. This particular serum contains carrot oil as its active ingredient. Trust me when I say it's going to give you that fair, beautiful, healthy looking skin. If you've ever used this particular serum before, you definitely understand what I'm talking about. See, if you don't want that beautiful fair skin tone, make sure you don't buy that because it's going to have your skin looking fair and attractive at the same time. Moving on, this Fair and White So White Perfect Serum is another banger. Believe me when I say this particular serum works like magic because it sure does. It's going to brighten up your complexion, even out your skin tone, and give you a beautiful glowy fair skin tone. Like if you're looking to lighten up your skin, brighten up your skin, or tone your skin and activate your body lotion, just pair this Fair and White serum with your body lotion. Like you can use it with a basic moisturizing lotion, or you can even pair it with the Fair and White body lotion or any other brightening body lotion of your choice, and it's still going to give you amazing results. I love the feel of this particular serum on the skin. When you apply the serum to your skin, trust me, your skin is irresistibly going to be glowing, and is also going to help tackle your dull looking skin. If you're someone battling with dull skin, or maybe your skin is looking darker than it usually would, just go get this Fair and White serum. You're going to love it. It contains different amazing ingredients and it works effectively well on the skin. I think a bottle of those retails around 9,000 or more, depending on where you're getting it from. So it's a really nice serum that you can add in your routine, and it's going to have your skin popping. It's going to gradually brighten up your skin, tone your skin, even out your complexion, and give you that beautiful glowing skin tone. If you really want your skin to be grabbing attention, this is one serum you need to have in your routine or pair with your body lotion, and you're definitely going to enjoy now it. The next serum I have for you guys is this BYOMA Smoothing Body Serum. This is another of my favorite body serums to use if you're looking to achieve a beautiful, bright, glowy skin. Like if you really want to achieve that fair, beautiful, glowing skin tone, then get this particular body serum. I love this particular one because anyone can use it, and it's going to smoothen your skin, make your skin feel so soft and radiant at the same time. This BYOMA serum smells nice and it glides nicely on the skin. This is one serum that is suitable for all skin types, especially for those with a rough, bumpy skin. If you're someone that battles mostly with body acne and you're looking for a product that would tackle it, or reduce the acne spots, that you have, and make your skin feel all smooth and beautiful, get this particular BYOMA and you're definitely going to love it. You're not going to regret buying this particular serum because it's a clarifying serum. It's formulated with different amazing ingredients that is suitable for all skin types and is going to leave your skin glowing. The next or fifth serum I have for you guys is this Paula's Choice 5% Niacinamide Serum. Of course, there's no how I'm going to talk about body serums and I'm not going to talk about this serum, because this is actually one brightening serum I've been recommending for clients and they really love it. Like I've recommended this for different clients, and guys, believe me when I say they all came back with good reviews. So there's no how I'll be recommending body serums and I'm not going to talk about this because it works. Talk about a serum that is going to brighten up your skin, glow your skin, improve your discolorations, and at the same time fade your dark spots gradually. Then talk about this baby right here. This Paula's Choice is bomb. I love the formulation of this particular serum. The fact that it contains both niacinamide, pentanol, that is going to help hydrate your skin, nourish your skin, moisturize your skin, and at the same time tackle your uneven skin tone and brighten up your complexion is something I really love. Like I'm sold out on. I love the fact that this serum is lightweight and it glides nicely on the skin. And the fact that it's actually fragrance free is something that makes it suitable for all skin types. So if you're someone with a very sensitive skin, you can use this Paula's Choice Niacinamide Serum and it's not going to irritate your skin. See, if you really want to get the best results out of this particular serum, I would definitely recommend using it both morning and night in your skincare routine, and ensure you are applying it first before you apply your body lotion, and you're definitely going to love the effect on your serums. Now, let me plug you guys to two bonus serums that you can mix with your body lotion or cream to activate them. And the next one I have for you guys is this QEI Plus Paris Serum. This serum right here, when you mix this with your body lotion, trust me, your skin is going to brighten up. You're going to achieve that fair, beautiful skin tone that you really want. It's a very nice and effective body serum. It works like magic. Adding this serum to your body lotion or using it with the QEI Plus Paris body lotion will set your skin on fire. Believe me when I say your glow is going to be blinding people. That's exactly what you're going to be getting using the QEI Plus Paris serum on your skin. Another serum I thought to plug you guys to is the Slather Tropical Serum. See, if you're struggling with terrible body acne, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, strawberry skin, Slather Tropicals is your go-to. This particular body serum is formulated for people suffering from severe acne breakouts on their skin, especially if you have them on your chest, on your back, or areas that your hand cannot reach. Just get someone that can help you massage it in, and you're definitely going to see results within 2 or 3 weeks of consistently using it on your skin. Of course, I know I have some girlies on a budget, and that is exactly why I'm going to be recommending this Vaseline serum to you guys. This is one amazing body serum that is going to help brighten up your skin and at the same time help you achieve a fair, beautiful, glowing skin tone. We have a total of 8 different body serums you could mix with your body lotion to achieve that fair, beautiful, glowing skin tone that you really want. How do you use all these serums? I'm going to be making a detailed video, but some of these serums are best applied on your skin first before you apply your body lotion. So you could mix any of these serums with your body lotions and your skin is definitely going to be glowing and popping. I hope today's video was very helpful. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys!